Good morning to everyone. I am Mohan, Department of Mathematics. So previously we are discussing about the function part 1, part 2, and here we are going to discuss about the function that is part 3. See here the value 1 to 1 on to we are discussed in the previous video. Then here we have to discuss in the bijective function, surjective function as well as. So here we have to bijective function. See the bijective function, a function f is said to be a bijective. It is both 1 to 1 and on to function. That is called a bijective function. See a function f is said to be a bijective. It is both 1 to 1 and on to function. For example, bijective, it is here given to the example of TUV is assigned to the 5 to 1 value. But here the second arrow diagram, it is x to 1 and z also x to z to 1. So here the domain is not equal to the range codomain, because the image is 3 and the pre-image is 2. So here the bijective is not a bijective, even though last one is also they are given x to 1 and z to 1 and x to 2. So here the bijective, it is a function f, it is both 1 to 1 and on to as well as, that is called a bijective. One more thing is a very important note is codomain, it is equal to the range. Codomain is equal to the range, that is onto, otherwise it is not a onto. And then the composite function, it's a very important one is the composite function. Let f is to a tends to b and g is b tends to c be two functions, then the composition of f and g denoted by g composite f is defined as the function g composite f is a tends to c given by the g composite f of x is equal to g of f of x for all the x belongs to a. See here the x will be going to the way of g, function of g, that is g of x, and then g of x is going to the function of f, then it is called a f of g of x. See the composite function a tends to b, b tends to c. See here in this diagram, they are given to the explanation a tends to b and b tends to c. So the a tends to b is f and g, b tends to c is f. So then the composition of f and g is denoted by g composite of f, that is called a g composite of f. Then g composite of f is a tends to c. Next, for the example, if f of x is equal to 2x and g of x is x plus 1, then find the f composite g of x. Then see that the solution is given in this. F of x is 2x and g of x is x plus 1. F composite g of x is f of g of x. F of g of x is x plus 1. Then f of x plus 1 we have to apply the value of x is in 2x, then 2x plus 2. Then we'll take the common value of 2, then it is called a 2 of x plus 1. Then example 2, f is equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x equal to x square. See here the solution of g of x is to the f of x 2x plus 1 g of x equal to x square, then g of f of x is g of 2x plus 1, then it is 2x plus 1 the whole square. So here we are discussed about the function part 3, then totally the 3 parts are over, then so many concepts are there, so we have to see in next further classes. Thank you.